What if one of China's biggest tech firms just cracked the code to train powerful AI without breaking the bank or relying on US chips? That's exactly what Ant Group may have done, and the implications are massive for the global AI race. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Ant Group, the fintech giant owned by Alibaba, is turning to domestically produced semiconductors to power its AI ambitions. By using chips made by Chinese suppliers, including those linked to Alibaba and Huawei, the company has been training large language models with a method called mixture of experts, or MoE. According to insiders, the performance of these models is reportedly on par with those trained using Nvidia's H800 chips. While Ant still uses Nvidia hardware for some projects, it's shifting more of its latest model development to Chinese-made chips and alternatives from AMD. This shift isn't just about cost, it's also a strategic move to reduce reliance on restricted US technology. Ant's work places it at the forefront of China's broader push to sidestep export controls and compete with US AI leaders. The company even published a research paper showing that its models sometimes outperformed those created by Meta. While Bloomberg News hasn't independently confirmed the results, the claims suggest a significant step forward in lowering AI development costs using local hardware. So what exactly is Mixture of Experts? It's a model design that breaks down data tasks and assigns them to specialized components, similar to assembling a team of experts, each focused on their part. This approach has also been used by major players like Google and DeepSeek, a startup based in Hangzhou. Training these models typically requires powerful and expensive GPUs, often out of reach for smaller players. But Ant is working to break down that barrier. Its recent paper even carries the subtitle, Scaling Models Without Premium GPUs, highlighting their aim to reduce costs without sacrificing performance. Contrast that with Nvidia's vision. CEO Jensen Huang insists that demand for computing power will keep climbing, and his company continues to build bigger and more powerful chips, packed with extra cores and memory. That's a different strategy from Ant's, which focuses on efficiency and affordability. To put things into perspective, training 1 trillion tokens with high-performance hardware cost Ant about 6.35 million yuan, or roughly $880,000. By optimizing its approach and using lower-spec chips, Ant brought that cost down to around 5.1 million yuan. And Ant isn't stopping at theory. It's applying these models, called Ling Plus and Ling Lite, to real-world sectors like healthcare and finance. Earlier this year, the company acquired Chinese medical platform Hiodef.com to accelerate its AI-driven healthcare initiatives. It also runs AI tools like the virtual assistant Jixiaobao and the financial advisory platform Maxiao Kai. In a nod to transparency and collaboration, Ant has open-sourced its models. Ling Lite features 16.8 billion parameters, while Ling Plus boasts 290 billion. For comparison, MIT Technology Review estimates that GPT 4.5, which remains closed source, has around 1.8 trillion parameters. Still, the journey hasn't been without challenges. Ant's paper admits that minor tweaks to hardware or architecture during training sometimes caused unstable behavior and error spikes. It's a reminder that AI training is still a complex and evolving science. Want to know where AI is going next? Don't miss the related video in the corner.